Guess who's a sleepy puppy? But guess what? You need to wake up because we have a new video. Yeah, that's right, a new video. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Oh my gosh, the kids are gonna love it. It's so much fun. It's funny. It's got sound effects. You think they're gonna like it? Don't go back to sleep. Come on, we got a new video. Oh yeah, let's go watch it.
Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus by Mo Willems. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while, so can you watch things for me until I get back? Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. I thought he'd never leave. Hey, can I drive the bus? Please? I'll be careful. I tell you what, I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. Voom, voom. Voomy, voom, voom. Pigeon at the wheel. No. I never get to do anything. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play Drive the Bus. I'll go first. Come on, just once around the block? I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? No fair. I bet your mom would let me. What's the big deal? It's just a bus. I have dreams, you know. Fine. Let me drive the bus. I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great. Thanks a lot. Uh-oh. Bye. Hey. The end.
Presley and I are wondering, would you let the pigeon drive the bus? What are you saying? Yes? You think that that's a good idea? Oh, no, not me. I don't think that's a good idea. Oh, Presley, you disagree with me? What do you guys think? Would you let the pigeon drive a bus?